Today we're on a job site where we're building a set of front entry steps, actually a front entry landing, and we're building them over this smaller set of concrete steps. But in order to keep these from getting too high, we're going to have to notch our joists around these concrete steps. To do that, we're going to use a technique called scribing. Now I want to leave about 1.5 inches of joist on top of the steps when we're done. So I'm using this 2x4 as a spacer underneath the joist while I scribe. Next, I place the joist on the 2x4 and I lower it to the ground so that I can locate a stake at the other end. I drive the stake into the ground and then I lift the joist up, level it, and then lower it slightly so the whole deck will pitch away from the house. Then I clamp the joist to the stake. Next, we're ready to scribe the pitch and contour of the steps onto the joist. I'm using another piece of scrap 2x8 and gently sliding it along the top of the steps and transferring that line onto the joist. Finally, mark a vertical line that's just beyond the end of the step and you're ready to cut. Now because our scribe line isn't perfectly straight, I had to use a jigsaw to follow the contour of the line. But if your line is straight or you're scribing along something that is straight, you can go ahead and use a circular saw to make these cuts. Now all I've got to do is finish cutting the other 3 joists and I'm ready to start building the deck.